Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi cousin that I use as my everyday planner. And this week I'm really excited to be able to use some of these stickers from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, as well as when I don't end up finishing a kit. For example, I try to save the stickers as much as possible and try to use them in a different spread. And I had these stickers left over from the Aspen kit from Let's Planet that I used sometime last year. And these colors actually match perfectly with the colors in the leaves of these stickers. So I'm going to be using some of the functional stickers as well, and maybe some washi from Simply Gilded. But anyway, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is actually put down these date stickers. I haven't actually used date stickers in quite a while, and I don't often use them in my Hobonichi cousin, but since I have them left over, I'm going to go ahead and put these down. Alright, so the next thing I'm then going to do, remove these here, is put down the washi. I was going to use the thick one, then I'm like, I don't know, maybe I'll use this one. But then there's already color up there, and now that I look at it, this green doesn't necessarily match. Maybe I'll just put this down here for where meals are supposed to go. I don't know. Now I feel like I need to find a washi that will match this. I think I'm going to leave that and just put the washi down here at the bottom where my meals would normally go. So I just need 3 places to do this, because I'm not normally up past midnight. So putting the washi and the meals just underneath midnight seems to work well. Let's fix this here. Oops, scissors. I actually really like having that pencil pouch, just so handy. Means I'm not searching for everything. Okay, so then I like this home is the nicest word there is. I'm going to place this right here, and I know that I'm going to end up covering some of where my meals are going to go on Monday, but that's okay. And these ones I'm actually going to put throughout the spread as I go, but I know one of the things that I do want to put down, might as well use the stickers that I got. This is from Let's Planet. I had these custom done by her just to have the weekend sticker going over Saturday and Sunday. And then what I'm going to do now is actually zoom into this area and do my sidebar. So with the sidebar, I'm going to actually put down the kind of quarter box sticker from the Aspen functional stickers, and then write sleep with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen on top, and then place a cute Coffee Monsters Co. emoji on top, and then draw out my graph for my sleep. This is what I do pretty much every week, and I like being able to keep track of my sleep. I know that I can actually just look back on it in my Fitbit, but there's something about being able to see it all in one place in a graph like this that makes it a bit more impactful. Then the next thing I'm going to do underneath is place another quarter box underneath and write the words workout, and place a cute weightlifting Coffee Monsters Co. emoji, and then write out my schedule for my workouts for the week. Then moving to the bottom of the spread, where I'm just going to write BLD with my fountain pen, and the pen that I am using is my Pelikan M400 in the white tortoiseshell, and the ink that I'm using is Robert Oster Gold Antica. Gosh, I have to correct myself all the time. All right, so then let's move to the main portion of the spread. I'm just looking through these stickers, and I'm just trying to think of what I could, like there's these, which I think would be good for work. So I think what I'm going to do is, first of all, find my tweezers. I have no idea where they are, so I'm just going to have to do it like this. That's okay. Every dot one by one. So we'll go in and put all the dots down, and then use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to write in the word work, and then use my fountain pen to draw in the arrows for my work shifts. Now I'm going to go in day to day with the things that I know that I have to get done. So let's put one of these bullet points down here. And this will be for my to-do list, which is basically meal plan and order groceries. Then in the evening of Tuesday, I'm going to put recycle instead of, well, that's the only one I have. It's garbages. So recycle with always an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. Like, look at this sticker book. It's like busting out of the seams. And the sticker album is from According to Ellie. So just putting a cute little emoji. Why do I use emojis? Because they're just fun. They're just fun to use. And then on Wednesday, Lucy actually has an appointment. So there is an appointment sticker. She has grooming at 11. So it's 11 o'clock. Lucy. The name of this place is so cute. It's Hollywood. Like, how adorable is that? Then on Thursday, it's the usual, the picking up the groceries. Let's use a yellow one. And my husband will pick them up normally between 6 and 6:30. So let's write that down here. It's funny actually that while I write this down, it does get easier knowing like the basics of each week. And then I have filming to do on the Friday, but I also have, I know at 2 o'clock, the way that I've been doing this recently is actually doing it with my Zig Clean Color Dots, but I'll use the stickers that I've got. So 2 o'clock, Weight Watchers at Sherwood Park. And then I'm going to put a different dot underneath that one. So this circle one, and that'll be for filming. So I need to film, I believe it's the cousin, the weeks, and the cousin. And I need to figure out when I'm filming my currently inked. Might have to be earlier in the week. We'll see. Or I can also write in here, currently inked. Okay, then Saturday, I am meeting a friend for, gosh, where's my Post-its here? Oh, I forgot to do this. So we have a night at the zoo. So I'm gonna put family time. Yeah, my sister's company are having a night at the zoo. This is why I have these Post-its. So 5:30 at Valley Zoo. They're gonna have food trucks and everything. I'm very excited. So that is done. Where's the other Post-it? Oh gosh, if I've lost that, what are my plans? Oh, honestly, I also just realized that there is something else that I need to be doing at that time. So that is not what it should be actually. So I'm gonna get my what is this? My wiper cream tape. And no, this is not the one I use. The one that I use is my Mono CC from Stationery Pal. Oops. Because this one is, it matches just about. So what is actually happening is that at 3 o'clock, now I have to write this with this, I believe it's at 3. Need to check. So yes, at 3 o'clock I'm going in for my booster. Okay, so then I will have to put my filming underneath that with, let's do this sticker. Because it seems like it's the same size as what I would normally use for 8 to film. Maybe like this. I feel like it's too big. Just put one of these. And place it down here. So to film, so it'll be the weeks, cousin, and the currently inked. I love doing that video. Okay. Oh my goodness, Karina. All right, and then I know on Sunday I've got, I need to find that Post-it. Where the heck did it go? Okay, never mind about the Post-it. I am going to just do this. I'm going to go have lunch with a friend on the Saturday the 30th. But I think in the morning I'm going to do some cleaning. So let's find my cleaning sticker. There we go. Oh, there it is. It's on my sleeve. Oh my gosh. Oh, boy. All right. It's been a great day. Okay, so I'll put that here. And I myself am going to do the bathrooms and the cabinets and appliances. And then the rest of the family will do their cleaning actually on the Sunday. Then, oh, I feel ridiculous. Then lunch. I still feel like that's too big of a sticker. But if I put it with an emoji, it says coffee date, but I think it could work for lunch or brunch or whatever we want. So let's do this. Take one of these. I honestly don't know how I feel about that. No, I think I'm just gonna do it like this. Oh, I don't know. Why does it feel so weird to me to do it like this? Just put that down. And then I'm gonna put lunch with Mavis. I don't know where, but we'll have lunch. Then in the evening, fold laundry. Whoops. I will put this down here. Yeah? Yeah. Fold laundry. Always with some form of alcohol. And then on the Sunday, I'm gonna get Rob and the kids to do, they're gonna do their portion of the cleaning, which will really be the leftover of like, I feel weird like breaking it up like that, but it's just knowing that I can do it then, and yeah, maybe I'll just do it like this. So that they still have some cleaning to do, like they know they have to, like the vacuuming, the windows. Henry has to do the garbages, like he collects them from the rest of the house, and then Robin does the handles and switches. Okay, and then, I apologize for my fluffy sweater here, and then underneath that, Henry has Ninja from 11:30 to 12:30, and I will definitely have to buy like those karate stickers from TCMC. They're as close as I can get to Ninja for Henry. And then 2 o'clock. Did I lose the sticker again? Oh my god, did I lose the Post-it again? Ugh. Oh, there it is. This is why I need to plan, because otherwise I'd be a hot mess. And then at 2 o'clock. Meeting my friend Kim at Remedy. Okay, perfect. Wow, that was a struggle. Okay, so I like that I was able to use as much as I could of these. I hate wasting stickers. But now that I've done most of that, if I've missed anything, I'm sure you guys will let me know. I'm going to add some of these stickers around. So I'm actually going to add, oh, I like that one. Just this here. So I think it's pretty. And maybe, I already have one of these there, so I don't want to add another. I'm going to add the plant one. I normally like to add one right in the middle to help break things up, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just put this one right here. And then just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put this one right here on weekend. Keep it simple. Okay. Oh, I like that. What do you guys think? I like the simplicity of it. I like the color scheme. Love, love, love. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.